Assalamu alaikum, this is Engineer Muhammad Yaseen Yousafzai, CEO Atcon Engineers and Developers from one of our sites, that is construction of Government Girls High School at Dheri Hassan Abad, Rawalpindi. This project is based on a plot of 2 canals, 10 Marlas and has a covered area of 21,683 square feet. The project has a 3-story building and we are being asked to complete the given project within a time duration of 5 months. So this is 48th day today and Alhamdulillah we are carrying out casting of the 3rd slab and we have already been able to carry out brickwork at the ground floor and first floors. Inshallah, we believe that as per the execution plan that we have prepared, we will be able to achieve the given target to complete the project within a time frame of 5 months, and inshallah this will be functional by August 2025, inshallah. So if you are looking for a team which is professional and believes in quality, please contact us on the given numbers. Thank you.